Hi, I'm Ron Degner with Affordable Plumbing. And if you ever find yourself in a situation that you want to turn off the water to your entire house, most homes are going to have a setup similar to this. This is a quarter turn 90-degree ball valve. You simply turn it 90 degrees and it's in the off position. Now some homes may have a round handle here that you'll want to turn in the clockwise position until it fully stops. This should stop all water flow into your home.